If you have an anthurium in your home, it brings great feng shui because the anthurium is also known as the happiness plant, symbolizing luck and positive energy. But if your anthurium is damaged or struggling and you don't know how, like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. The anthurium is in a damaged and non-growing stage, so I gently removed it from the pot and washed off all the soil stuck to the roots. Cleaning the roots helps remove dirt, fungus, and prepares the plant for the next recovery steps. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. Now I chopped aloe vera and garlic, added a little rooting, stimulating powder, poured in some water, and blended the mixture. This solution helps fight bacteria. After blending the mixture, I poured it into a cup and soaked the base of the anthurium in it. Then I used the mixture to wipe all the leaves, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply, helping the plant fight. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now that the plant has absorbed enough of the solution, I prepared a decorative pot, added soil, and replanted the anthurium. After planting, I poured the blended mixture onto the base and then added a layer of rice husks to help the plant retain moisture, improve root aeration, and absorb nutrients. After a few days, the plant is rooted well and is growing many new leaves. To prevent nutrient deficiency, I cut an aloe vera leaf. After applying the aloe gel, I used a multi-purpose tissue to wipe all the leaves clean. This helps the leaves stay clear, shiny, and able to absorb nutrients better. It also removes dust and fungal spots, helping the One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. I chopped the remaining aloe vera and placed it at the base of the plant to help it retain moisture, absorb natural nutrients, and strengthen the root system. Now I sprayed a little more water to keep the plant properly hydrated, helping the roots develop and the plant stay healthy. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. Amazing! With my at-home Anthurium recovery method, I now have a beautiful, healthy Anthurium pot. If you find my video helpful, try using this method yourself. I'm sure you'll be able to revive many beautiful Anthurium plants at home without needing to buy new ones from plant nurseries anymore. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.